Now there is one question in arithmetic progression. Find the 28th term from the last term of the AP. Now what does this mean? AP is given here, this one. This is the AP 3, 8, 13, dot 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 2, 5, 3. We have to find out the 28th term from the last term. Means we have to find out starting from here. Means from here, if we move this one, then where is the 28th term? 28th term. This we need to find out, right? So it's very easy. In this case, what we will see here, if I write the whole of the expressions, the whole of the arithmetic progression, if I write in the reverse order, then there is a 5 difference. You can say 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, means D is here 5. So 2, 5, 3, before this there will be number, what will be the number? 2, 4, 8. Then only the difference will be 5, right? Because we are having 5, D equals to 5, here also 5, and here also we have 5. Now do one thing, write the whole in the reverse order, because we have to find out from last term the 28th term. So we have the series 2, 5, 3, 2, 4, 8, and dot dot dot. Here it comes out to be 13, then here 8, then we have 3. What we have done, we have just written the series in the reverse order. Why we have written in reverse order? Because we need to find out the 20th term from the last term. It's very easy then. We have to find out 28th term. 28th term. This is the first term. First term. Then we will write down here A equals to, here if you see, A equals to 2, 5, 3, D equals to 5, because we have got difference between the two is 2 terms 5. You can see here already we have seen 5. This is also 5, and N is 20, because we need to find out the 28th term. Very easy, just you write down the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Tn we have to find out, so Tn equals to A 253 plus 20 minus 1. Now see here the thing which we have to pay attention is that here actually the difference between the two term is 5, but that difference is plus 5. When we are moving from the smaller to the bigger one, we are adding 5. But here what we can see, from the bigger number to smaller number we are moving in a descending order. So in descending order, instead of D plus 5, D would be here minus 5. This is the most important part which you have to keep in mind. When the series is in descending order, then the D is negative, because we have to multiply from the, we have to subtract from each term to get the other consecutive terms. We cannot add, because on adding the number increases. So here we have to subtract 5 from each term to get the second term. So D is negative. This only is the important part. This you have to keep in mind. Now otherwise the things are very simple. Then it is multiplied by minus 5. Now the same calculation, there is nothing more left. 253 plus, here if you multiply, it came out to be minus 100, or why to write here minus 100? Because that is the number only, na? The 20 minus 1 we can write here directly 19 into minus 5 equals to, this came out to be 253 plus minus here 95. And why it is minus? all know very well, because when we multiply here plus 19 into minus 5, then the plus into minus is minus. That is why we are writing here minus 95. Then what would be the answer here? Subtract this one, we will get here 158. So here t, instead of here writing t20, tn we have written here, but here in place of n we can write here t20, because we are finding here 28th term. So t20 equals to 158. I hope it's very clear. Just what we have to do, the number is in the ascending order, but we have to find out the 28th term from the last. Now always keep in mind that 28th term from the last means that we are in a descending order from the bigger number to smaller number. So whenever we are moving from a bigger number to smaller number, whenever we have to make something small, then it's very obvious that we have to subtract. So here the main thing, most important part is that the d becomes negative here. So we have written here d negative, and then we have calculated using the formula tn equals to a plus n minus 1d, and we got here answer t20, that is 20th term equals to 158. I hope it's very clear to each and everyone. Anyone having any doubt, kindly ask me.